was in bed with the man the Hansak the night she died.
Right, up till now, we assumed it was a man.
Okay, suppose it was Dixie.
Okay, disgusting, but okay. Let's say Dixie put the drain cleaner in her pills.
Say someone paid her to do it.
Sure, she thinks fine. Amanda swallows a couple of downers and she's dead. Then Dixie.
If it was her.
If it was her, she's got plenty of time to spritz the place up, get out, whatever.
Except Amanda jumps out the window.
Oh, Dixie pushes her, you know, either way.
Either way, she has to make a quick exit because the body's public. So she hauls ass downstairs.
People are coming out saying, what's happened, what's happened?
Somebody spots her. She says, shit.
That's right, she actually stops and says, shit.
The point being that now she has to cover her ass.
Right. So she grabs the nearest flat foot she can find and she says, officer, officer, I saw the whole thing.
Right.
Right.
That's pretty fucking thin.
That's very thin.
What the hell? Thin's my middle name.
Yeah, your wife's cooking. I'm not surprised.
What?
Nothing.
Remarks like that will not get you invited to Christmas dinner.
My luck's changing for the better every day.
All right, baby. Come to Roger. Come on. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Read 'em and weep. What do you do? Sleep with that thing on your pillow?
I would if I slept.
Step back, baby. Let me show you what an old man can do. Just warming up. Just warming up.
Officer White, please pick up line 3. Officer White, pick up line
Watch carefully.
Ceasefire on number 7, number 8. Weapons in safe position. Downrange target.
Hey, look at that, will you? Not bad for an old man.
Okay, step aside, old man.
Lieutenant Evans, report to the range commander. Lieutenant Evans, report to the range commander. Sergeant Dennis, call your watch captain. Sergeant Dennis, call your watch captain, please.
Have a nice day. Shit.